Good morning. I'm going to show you the scenario of ship-to-ship communication simulation.
Vessel calling Batangas BTS. Batangas BTS. Over.
Batangas BTS. Batangas BTS. This is motor vessel precision. Call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Please switch to channel 12 for further communication. Over.
Batangas BTS. MV Precision. Switching to channel 12. Over.
MB Precision, Batangas BTS. Please provide your ETA, draft, number of person on board, and the cargo you are carrying. Over.
Batangas BTS. This is motor vessel precision. ETA is 0800 hours on the 30 of October 2023. The vessel draft is 12.3 meters. We have 4 persons on board. The cargo is iron ore with 12.304 metric tons on board. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Question, do you have any dangerous cargoes on board? Over.
Batangas VTS. This is motor vessel precision. Yes, we are carrying 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3. Over.
MB Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Roger that. Thank you for the information. Stand by for fourth entry instruction. Over.
Batangas VTS. Motor vessel precision. Standing by. Over.